subscribe to Ride with VJ and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive the latest notifications.
So guys, another big day for bikers, bike enthusiasts, and also a big day for Benelli as well, because Benelli are introducing their smallest variant in their lineup, that is Benelli Leoncino 250cc. In recent times they have already launched the Benelli Leoncino 500. The launch is happening at Benelli Kukatpalli. Let's quickly go there and join that launch event. And I guess guys, I have already mentioned in my last video, few of the videos I will be doing it in English and also the other one in Telugu. So Telugu ప్రేక్షకులు ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో, తెలుగు వాళ్ళు ఎవరైతే ఈ వీడియో చూస్తున్నారో, ప్లీజ్ బేర్ విత్ మీ. ట్రై టు అండర్స్టాండ్ దట్ కొన్ని కంటెంట్స్ నేను ఇంగ్లీష్లో చేయాల్సిందే. ఈవెన్ ఇఫ్ యూ టేక్ ది మోటార్ సైకిల్ స్పెక్స్ దట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు స్పీక్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్. సో దట్ ఈస్ వై ఈ మోటార్ సైకిల్ రివ్యూస్ కానీ, మోటార్ సైకిల్ రిలేటెడ్ స్టఫ్ కానీ, లెట్స్ డూ ఇట్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్. ఇంగ్లీష్లో చేసినా సరే మీకు ఈజీగా అర్థమయ్యేటట్టే నేను చేస్తా. సో ప్లీజ్ డూ సపోర్ట్ మీ. అండ్ మీ కామెంట్స్, నేను అన్ని కామెంట్స్ చదువుతున్నా, అన్ని కామెంట్స్కి రిప్లై కూడా ఇస్తున్నా. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ యువర్ కమెంట్స్ అండ్ ఐ లవ్ యూ ఆల్. పీపుల్ హూ కమెంట్, పీపుల్ హూ టేక్ అవుట్ their time specially to watch my videos and comment on them. I really appreciate that effort and also I love you guys. బండి నిన్ననే గడిపించిన నేను, బురదలోకి వెళ్ళి పోవాలని అస్సలు లేదు నాకైతే. అందుకే ఇట్లా కొంచెం సైడ్కి వెళ్ళి వస్తున్నా. బట్ స్టిల్ బురద పడ్డం స్టార్ట్ అయిపోయింది. నిన్న రాత్రి బండి మెకానిక్ షెడ్ నుంచి ఇంటికి తీసుకెళ్ళే టైం వరకే కొంచెం వరకు బురద మొత్తం చైన్స్ ప్యాకెట్, ఇంకా వెనకాల మడ్ గట్ కింద ఇంజన్ పైన పడ్డది. After getting motorcycle washed, I just hate to go inside the water like this because the motorcycle gets dirty. And once it gets dirty, then I don't leave those places. So there we reach Benelli Kukatpalli. Just take this U-turn and turn it to the extreme left. So that's our Benelli boy Sai, and also Rukmanand is here. I think this is a gorgeous, the very small variant of Benelli 250cc Leoncino.
Hi, hello, namaste, adab. This is Vijay. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Ride with Vijay. So today we have a launch of Benelli Leoncino 250, the youngest motorcycle of their lineup. So we also have a few other guys joining this launch, Rukmanand and also Auto Geek. So let's wait for the launch. The motorcycle is behind us. So just now they have unveiled the motorcycle and it looks really stunning and really beautiful. So one thing I really like this, the color scheme of this Leoncino 250. It's way better. It's good than the Leoncino 500. I personally liked it. So we'll go closer to the motorcycle and I'll give you some cinematic features of it. The motorcycle that we've been waiting from very long, the Leoncino 250. So let's also talk about the specs.
So this is a 250cc engine which is 4-stroke DOHC single cylinder engine, which is mated to 6-speed gearbox with a chain drive, and it can produce 25.2 PS at 9,250 rpm and 21 Nm at 8,000 rpm. I guess that is pretty much enough for a 250cc motorcycle. And what do you think about that? Let me know in the comment section.
It's the upside down forks, 42 or 43 mm, 320 mm disc at the front. Pillar tires, they do quite well job on road. So the bike gets default dual channel ABS. So the exhaust is also new on this. It gets the dual barrel setup and it sounds very awesome. And the motorcycle height wise, it's a really perfect design language of Cafe Racer and also the Scrambler. I can say the mini Scrambler.
But the
seat height would be really low, but I don't feel like that. The seat height is normal. I can reach the ground very comfortably. Great advantage for the short height riders. They can reach the ground, and the motorcycle looks really agile and nimble. We get to know more about the motorcycle when we get it into real life and when we ride the motorcycle. But let me know, how do you feel the color scheme of this Leoncino 250? So let me show you the headlights part as well. So it gets the all LED headlights. They looks really attractive. I mean, it looks very similar to the 500, the elder sibling of 250 Leoncino. Also look at the seat. So cushioning of the seat is also pretty much soft, and you'll definitely feel comfortable, but the grab wheel is missing here. Here might be a little bit discomfortable because he can't grab anything literally, so he need to hold the rider. So the curb weight of the motorcycle is just 160 kgs, and along with the tank capacity of 12.5 liters. So I'm really not sure about the average, so that we'll get to know once it enters to the real life. So the foot pegs are rear set slightly, so that will give you a proper upright riding command on the motorcycle, and that I can really tell when I get the motorcycle out on the road. So but still I feel comfortable with the handle and also the foot pegs on it. Also the ground clearance is really crazy with the seat height. Time for the exhaust note of this mini Leoncino 250. Let's get to the motorcycle. This is the key of this 250 Leoncino. It also gets the foldable, and just like a knife comes out. So now beautiful package comes at 2.5. That's the ex-showroom price of Hyderabad. On-road price would differ place to place and showroom to showroom. So that's pretty much about the motorcycle. This is just like walk around and also the cinematic feature. So we'll do complete specifications and also on-road test when we take it out for the test ride, and that video gonna fall down very soon. One good thing I really liked it is the tail part that looks really attractive and aggressive. That really resembles the scrambler look, but when you look at it from the front, so it's similar like a cafe racer design. So I can say that it's a combination of cafe racer and also scrambler, all two together, the motorcycle. Switch on the instrument console. This is the instrument console on Leoncino 250. I mean, it is a little bit similar to the elder sibling, the Leoncino 500, and what it has got is the fuel speedometer, odometer, also the heat symbol, and these are the switches to toggle between. Let's see. So this is a trip meter, trip 2, and this is a gear. I think this is a gear position indicator, and you have this miles per hour and also kilometers per hour. That's it. I guess the clock is missing in it. Guys, that's pretty much about the Leoncino 250. Let me know in the comments how is the motorcycle and how is the price. So if you want to know anything about the motorcycle, please feel free to comment below. I'll revert you back, and you know what to do. If you like the video, give me that like and share this video with your friends and family. And do consider to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified first. Stay tuned to Ride with VJ. Lot more to come. Signing off. See you in another vlog. Bye bye.